Hi guys, Ali is here. I want to show you three exercises to work on your upper back and traps. The first exercise is barbell row. But the difference is when you want to target your lower lats, your body must be parallel to the floor, like this. If you want to work on your lats, but now we want to work on our upper back traps. So we go down a little bit, just this, and pull it up. Wait, pull to your belly. The second exercise, we use a bench, an incline bench. It is like reverse dumbbell fly, but before we do this reverse dumbbell fly, we do one shrugs, then we do one lift. One shrug, one lift. One shrug, one lift. Don't keep your neck up. Tuck your chin, shrug, and look, shrug. Ah. The third exercise is deadlift, but the difference is we don't go down. We go down to the knee level and we go up. See? We go down to our knee level. When we go up, we try to go a little back and bring this scapula together. Go down to the knee level. We go up and try to bring this scapula together.